He's naked! That guy's riding his bike fully naked! Oh my god! Oh, it's dead. No! Don't die! I need to get home! Which scooter belt will make your bike the fastest? In today's video, we're going to find out. I'm also going to show you how to measure your belt so you know exactly what length belt you've got. And right here you can see a little Sharpie mark that I've drawn on the Variator to show us that we're not getting full belt travel, which means we're losing top speed. In the last video we got 48 miles an hour. It's like I've never seen these speeds! 48, that's insane. With this current belt on a major downhill road, I want to see if we can get more than 48 miles an hour again on that very same road. Let's get this belt off the bike. Okay, so we're going to measure the length, measure the width of all three belts so that we know what we're working with. So we've got the original belt right here. We've also got a Malossi X Special belt. And last but not least, we've got a genuine Yamaha belt. This one might be the same as what's already on the bike. If it's the exact same, we're not going to run it in the test. We're just going to go straight over to the Malossi X Special belt and see what the results are. A lot of the time when I'm doing any work on scooters and I need to measure something, I use digital calipers. 16.17. We'll go with 16.2 on that. Now, this is the interesting part, is measuring the length of the belt. And we're literally just going to roll the belt along this piece of wood till the tape reaches again and take the measurement. Right there. Now we simply just need to measure from there to where the belt got to. So the total length is 747 millimeters. We'll write that on here. Next, we'll test the original Yamaha belt, 16.69. So obviously it's slightly wider because it's not been used as much, so it's not worn down on the sides. The length is the exact same, maybe slightly shorter. Malossi X Special belt. Now I'm hoping it's going to be thinner. If it's not thinner and it doesn't feel like it is, then we might not be onto a winner here. 16.58. We'll still run it anyway and see if it's any better. It's the exact same size, more or less, maybe give a few mil. So I don't think we're going to see the results I wanted to see today, but we'll take it out anyway, put this on, give it a test run and see what happens.
Get over there, shut up, or we all choke to death. You know, you sold him that piece of shit. You ought to be fucking ashamed of yourself.
Bogging like crazy in the CVT for some reason. Oh my god, it's barely even going anywhere. You fucking absolute knob. He's naked! He's fucking naked! That guy's riding his bike fully naked! Yo, what the hell? I think I just found my hook for the first 10 seconds of the video. But yeah, we'll come back down this hill and see what the top speed one's looking like. Hopefully a lot better. Everyone's out on the bikes today. Got the stiffest clutch springs in right now, a stiff contra, and I've adjusted the stage 6 adjustable clutch as aggressive as it can be before the clutch engages, and it's just engaging way too soon all of a sudden, and this new belt seems to be a potential part of the problem. That's so bad, and it wasn't that bad before I changed the belt, so maybe this belt's just caused a bit more of a problem. Here we go, let's see what she can do. Gonna over rev for sure. 47, 48. Staying in it. This is it. 49. So we gained 1 mile an hour, but if anything, I'm not gonna say that's from the belt. And it's bogging like crazy. Did you hear that? There's something not right with this bike, man. We've got to figure it out. The results of this test is that the belt that I ordered that said it was thinner, it didn't seem thinner at all when we measured it with the digital calipers. I've got this massive box of scooter goodies from Ped Parts. Let me know in the comments below what you think's inside this box. We'll definitely be unveiling it in the next video for sure. Yes, check that out, that is sick! Now that's what I'm talking about. Right, where's this naked dude? Okay, so we're back home and I've took the shims out that were behind the Variator, put an extra shim in between the Variator and the front pulley and added the 3 little gold weights that you get for the stage 6 clutch. 3 there, 3 there, 3 there, 9 gold weights inside the clutch. Put the original belt back on and I'm going to take it back out and just give it a test run and see how it is. Alright, this is the moment of truth, getting out of this junction, let's see what happens. Move, 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 come on, pick a lane. Oh, that is pulling so much harder already. That's fucking sick, that. That guy was flashing at me then in his MX-5. That thing was slammed, cambered. Pretty sick. But why did he flash at me on this? Like, yeah, it's over revving, and then it's doing that box thing that it did. So in the last video when we took it out, it was fine. There was no issues. But the video before that, when I was out riding full throttle, it was fine. And as soon as I let off and tried to get back on full throttle, it would just bog. It would just bog, and it started doing it again now. I would say that without those shims behind the Variator's not moving close enough to the front pulley, and so we're getting belt slip, and that's why it's revving so high. Maybe I've shimmed it a little bit more than it needed between the Variator and front pulley. I just added an extra shim that was the same thickness as the one that was already there. But yeah, clearly that's not working out. We're going to take it home. Belt-wise, I was hoping the Malossi belt would be thinner and would travel further into the contra and further out on the Variator at top speed. And it wasn't thinner when we actually measured it with the calipers, which was weird because it said it was quite a bit thinner online. And now whatever I've just done to it, it's over revving like crazy. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and change the shimming on this. When we finally get the Stage 6 Sport Pro Variator, I'm hoping we'll see. Oh. I'm hoping we'll see. Oh my god, every time I let off and get back on. What the fuck is that? What the hell is that? If anyone knows, let me know. Oh my god. Anyway, yeah, I'm hoping when I get the Stage 6 Sport Pro Variator, we'll start getting speeds of 55 mile an hour or more. And then when we do the full 70cc engine build, we'll definitely iron out any problems. We'll know there's no air leaks. Everything will be brand new, bigger carburetor, and hopefully we'll see at least 60 mile an hour. But yeah, watch this. Full revs, over revving. Let off, and it's bogging, and it's good again. And what the? Oh my god! Oh, it's fully bogging. Oh, it's dying. Oh, it's dying. Oh, it's dying. Okay. Oh, it's dead. No! Don't die! I need to get home. There we go. She's back up again. Oh no. Okay, we just got to, I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on with this bike. That's a carb bog for sure. But what's causing it? I'm gonna have to inspect that and see. But I swear there's no air leaks. Something's not right. It's running 118 main jet. That's massive. Absolutely massive. But yeah, I don't know what's going on with it right now, guys.
Alright, so bogging like crazy out of nowhere, then suddenly it's okay again. And it's running 118 main jet, which is massive. I think we've got fuel delivery problems. Let's get rid of the petcock and replace it with a fuel tap. I've had a look underneath. I can't even see the petcock, so I'm going to have to probably cut a hole in the plastics so that when I do replace it with a fuel tap, I can get to the fuel tap. We're going to have to mess with the shimming that I've just done on the Variator again, just reverse that. Yeah, ultimately, guys, if you can get the longest belt you can for your bike, get the longest belt you can. If you see one that's a bit thinner, one that's a bit wider, similar lengths, order both, try them both. That's what I'd recommend. As always, guys, if you enjoyed the content, leave a like and a comment below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let me know what you think's inside this absolutely massive box. I can tell you right now, it's from Ped Parts. It's not all definitely parts, but there is a lot of cool stuff in there that we're going to show on the next video. Let me know down below what you think's in the box. See you in the next one, guys.
Yeah. Put the team on my back. Never fold, never crack. The wolf always roll with a pack. Now tell me how you like that. Put the team on the map.